Hello guys, I hope you guys are all doing good. Welcome back to Bosque's FX Forex Group. We really appreciate you guys to have you back once again to our YouTube channel, and we would like to also thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are new here guys, just consider doing the same. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification post so that you get notified with the notification bell when we upload our next video. So guys, here on our YouTube channel we talk about smart money concept, and also we talk about order blocks strategies. In today's video we are going to show you how to trade away from the peak formation when the order block break the first lower high or the previous high. So let's say the market have given us something like this: drop, base, drop, base, drop. So when they give you this drop, base, drop, what you want to see is the market coming back to the order block, which is this one, and then continues going down. But let's say the market will not continue going down, they will do something like this: drop, rally, base, breaking the structure of the market, coming back to this zone where they can find the orders and shift the market going down to the previous rally, base rally, to take the orders. After taking the orders, the price will go up. So meaning this will be our first market structure breaker. That's what you want to see when the market is going up. This is what you want to see: market breaking this first lower high, creating a new high. Once they create this new high, the price will come back to the order block zone area, meaning here is where you can find your orders at the previous base area. So if you see something like this guys, because some of you get confused when you see something like this is our first market structure breaker, and then you say you want to see the market going up. So while the market is going up, they'll go and pick the orders and drop the market going down. So once the price goes down, let's say they'll reach here where we can find our order block zone area and pick the orders and shift the market going up. So once you see something like this, let's say you have taken a sell here, you remember after market shift from your entry point, you shift your SL. So even they hit you going up, you know that you are waiting for the market to break this previous low high, creating a new high. Once they break a new high, you wait for the market to come back to the first rally, base rally, which was responsible for breaking the structure of the market, and then they will come back there and pick the orders and shift the market from that zone. So this will be our peak formation peak formation high, because this was our lower low. So this will now become our new higher low. That's where we expect price to come and pick the orders and shift the market going up. So this is what we call a peak formation low. So guys, what we are saying, as you can see here guys, we have US30, but you can also apply this strategy on currency pairs, also on volatility index. So as you can see, the price was going down, and the price have given you these two drop base drop. Here we have a drop base drop, and we had another rally base drop, meaning this was our base area here. As you can see, that's where the base area is at. And now guys, as you can see now, the first peak formation was issued was this one. That's where the money is at. Why? Because the market have first given us this lower low here, as you can see. So what we were expecting price to go back to the first drop, base drop, which was responsible for breaking the structure, and the price didn't reach that zone. As you can see, the price was rejecting, coming back to this order block zone area, but the price continued going up. So meaning at first they came back and went up, and then finally came back, but failed to break this this higher low. They have just created a new higher low there, meaning this is our best area now. That's where we look for what? For orders. Why? Because the price have taken out this lower high, as you can see, this lower high here, creating a new what? A new high, which is this one. As you can see, guys, that's where the new high is at. So this is our new high here, guys. As you can see, new high there. So once the price have created a new high, the market will come back with a compression. That's what we want to see. So as you can see, I started in H4 time frame. Now I'm breaking it down to H1 time frame to see if price have given us the compression while they were coming back to the order block, which we wanted to see them coming back. As you can see, they did reach this order block zone area. That's where our first base rally was issued, and you can see they have reached that zone, meaning the price also it come back with a compression. As you can see, the price was compressing, the market coming back to the order block. So this was a nice price approach because they didn't give us this fast move while they were coming back. They just have given us a drop, base, drop, base, drop, base, drop. You see the market coming back, and once they reach that order block zone area, they will not hesitate to shift the market. They'll just shift the market with the impulse, the same move which they have given you while they were going up. That's the same move which you can expect while the price was going up again. So as you can see, if you measure this zone, something like this, you can see, guys, here. Let me use another one. That is one. You can see, even if we measure this, something like this, yeah, something like this, you can see the same move was given here. This is the same move which they have given you while the price going up. So now we want to understand that the price have went up. So where do you expect price to come back now? Because the price have taken out this new high, creating a new high, and they are continue going up. As you can see, let's zoom in. As you can see, so this is where let me delete everything. This is where the last lower high is at. As you can see, the last lower high is at. Here, guys, that's where the last lower high is at. So while the price break this zone, I want to see compression coming back to this order block right here, because this was the first order block which was issued while the price was going up. So that's where we want to see the price coming in. If you use a trend line, you see that's where the touch you want to see it at this one, so they'll just come and pick the orders and continue going up once they break that lower high. So let's give you another example, guys. Another example. So this is Nasdaq, guys. This is Nasdaq, and as you can see, guys, the price was going up. Why? Because we had this first drop, base drop, base drop, meaning the price had to come back to this order block zone area, but the last lower high was at this zone. You can see that's where the lower high, last lower high was at, and that lower high was being taken out. So once price take out that lower high, you want to see compression coming back to the order block zone area. For me, I consider this as my order block zone area. So I want to see price coming back to that base area, guys. Right here. Sorry about that. Right there. So let's see how price rejected the zone. You can see, guys. Yeah, that's where the base area was at. That's where the base area was at. But now let's go back to what? To H1 time frame. If we can get a nice order block zone area. A nice order block zone area. Yeah, right. Now you can see, guys, we had a what? A rally, base rally. Meaning at this zone, guys, let me take this one. At this zone, that's where the last higher low was at, and this was the order block zone area. This zone, you see, and the price did take out this lower high, which was at this zone. It came back to pick the orders and shifted the market. So if you go back to H4 time frame, you can see this was our peak formation low, because that's where the new higher low was at. Let me delete and see clearly. This is where the previous what higher low was at, and the price did come back with a compression. If you go back to H1, you can see that the price did come back with a compression, guys. You can see the price did come back with a compression here, guys. Let me zoom in so that you can see the price did come back with a compression. Why? Because you can see those new lower highs being created there. So the price did come back with a compression. This was all of compression, trapping the retail traders who take this order block and hold, saying that the Nasdaq is still going down. So once the price reaches the order block, they'll shift the market with a fast move. Why? Because they want to take out all those retail traders who continue hold the trades at those lower highs. So that's how you apply this strategy, guys. So this is our first peak formation. First peak formation, higher low, as you can see, and we had a nice rally, base rally, meaning that's a new higher low. That's why the price didn't even break that higher low to create a new lower low. Why? Because that's where they will left the orders and hold for the price to come and activate those pending orders and shift the market going way up. So what I want to advise you guys is something like this. The market can give you, let's say, something like this: a drop, base, drop, base, drop, base, drop. Once you identify something like this, guys, something like this, the price is just trapping those retail traders. That's why we say if you take this type of order block, your take profit is at these lower lows, as you can see, at these lower lows. That's where your take profit will be, because the dealer, if he's now going up, they'll just do something like this. Let's say they'll fail to break the previous lower high, and then they'll come back again, and then coming back, they'll now finally take out that zone. Once they take out that zone, they'll come back to that previous higher low which was created, then pick the orders, now start moving up. So once they shift up, they will be going with a fast move. Sometimes you can't even find a new higher low. Why? Because the price will be going up, breaking those retail traders who are selling at that zone. Why? Because sometimes those retail traders, they put their SL above here. That's where there will be their SL above there. So they will be going with a fast move to take out all of those retail traders who are still holding the sell orders. So I hope this video will help you guys, and I hope you have a blessed day. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram group for free signals and free setups as well. Thank you.